Hello guys, I welcome you to this video. In this video you're going to learn how to come up with this simple text effect, right? Putting picture in text. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video, and I'm going to use Pixellab, the Pixellab application, to teach you how to do it. So let's get started. So the first thing, you launch your Pixellab app. Alright, so let me launch my own. Okay, now when you come in here, the first thing you want to do is to write any text at all you want to do. Okay, so let me go ahead and write 55. Okay, so this is the text I want to use, so you have to increase the size, at least increase it, but not that much. Okay, then the next thing you want to do is to change the font so that you have space inside where the picture can be visible from. So I want to use these poppins. Okay, I can still go for other fonts if I like. Okay, well, let me just get a font. So you just have to choose any font of your choice. Okay, so I'm going with this. Right, so I'm going with this, so I have to make sure it is at the middle. Okay, using this tool. Then the next thing I want to do is to duplicate it, making it 2. Then after making it 2, the next thing I want to do is to before I duplicate it, I can edit it a bit. Okay, let me give it a color. Let me give it red. Right, then let me give it a stroke, and also give the stroke a color. Okay, let me give the stroke a yellow color. Right, then increase it. Okay, all right, so after this I will now have to duplicate it, and I'll go to the layer menu and off the second duplicate. All right, then I'll now work with this one for now. So now after doing this, you have to make sure that this text is at the middle. Okay, let me bring it down a bit, but not much. All right, now the next thing I want to do here is to bring in a shape. Okay, now this shape, watch what I'm going to do. All right, so I have to take it to the back. This shape, I have to take it to the back. Okay, then use this tool and make sure that this shape aligns together with this number. As you can see, make sure that there is no space ahead or below. Okay, so make sure that the shape aligns very well with the head of that your text. Now after you've made sure, you can give the shape a color. Okay, let me give this shape another color. Okay, this time let's give it a purple color. All right, so I will now go ahead and merge. Now I'll go to the layer menu. I'll now select that shape and this 55 and merge them together. Okay, then after merging them together, the next thing I want to do is to go to this to erase color. As you can see, it's right here, erase color, and I will go there, I will activate it, and I will click on pick. I'll click on pick and I will shift this to that red, and I'll click OK. So it has automatically erased the red color for me. I can increase the tolerance so that that red will completely go off. Then after I've done this, the next thing you want to do is to go and bring in the image you want to use. Okay, so in this case, I have already downloaded this image and I have already removed the background. Okay, so look at it here. I've downloaded it and I've removed the background already. So you have to do the same before you start editing. Okay, so I have to place it very well. Then I have to take it to the back. Okay, I've taken it to the back. All right, okay, place it very well. Okay, let me increase it a bit. I can lock this 55 for now. Okay, while I set this one, keep it at the center. Then after this, I have to what? Duplicate it again, this particular image. And this time around, I have to make sure that this one is at the center, and I will position it very well also to fit in the same position with the other one. Then I'll have to what? Off it for now. Alright, then after I have done this, the next thing I want to do is to merge this image with this 55. Okay, so you merge the two with this 55. Then after I have done this, the next thing I want to do is to still go back to erase color, activate it, click on pick, and it has already selected the purple color, so I'll say okay. I hope you are following the steps, so I will say okay. So I can go back. Okay, let me go back and adjust this picture a bit. Okay, let me go back and adjust it a bit, but not much. All right. Okay, let me adjust it a bit, but not much. All right. Okay, so I will now merge this picture and this 55. All right, so when you merge them, the next thing you want to do is to go to erase color, activate it, pick out the purple color and erase, and click OK. Now after you have done this, the next thing you want to do is to on this to open the eye of this picture of this man, the second one, and position it very well so that it will align with this other one right here. So you have to make sure that they align together very well. Okay, so okay, I'm good to go. Now after I've done this, the next thing I want to do right now is to go towards this mask here. Okay, this mask tool here. I will now have to, let me shift this. I will now have to mask and erase the parts that I don't want. Okay, I will now have to activate it. When you come inside here, you activate it, then, and I will now have to remove the parts that I don't want. All right, still the same with this angle. Just have to remove the parts that I don't want, and okay, I don't want these parts. All right, so I'm good to go. I can adjust the center a bit. Okay, raise it up a bit. Okay, just play around with this and make sure that everything is set. Okay, I think I'm good to go with this. So as you can see, I'm good to go. Now the next thing you want to do after you have done this is to go back and open that 55, which is the other 55 that you duplicated before putting this picture. All right, so when you activate it, when you open it, you bring it and make sure that it aligns again together with this 55 that is here already. So you can use this tool to make sure it's at the center, and use this one to make sure that it aligns up, the upper part and the lower part aligns very well. So guys, as you can see, I am done with this particular design or with this particular editing. So you can go ahead and give the background any color of your choice. Right, as you can see, change the background color and you are good to go. So guys, this is basically how to achieve this simple trick. So all you have to do is to follow it step by step. Follow it step by step. You will get it right. It's very simple. So guys, see you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comment below. Thanks for watching.